The Donut SMP is flooding, and not even the admins are able to stop it. Let me explain. It all started around a week ago when Dr. Donut started up his stream like usual, teleporting to players and raiding builds until he teleported to this group of players.
So, you know yesterday, the Donut University, and you remember how I gave you an application about, you know, how I flood the server to help improve the ocean ecosystems? Yeah, it's,
This is a massive artificial ocean stretching above cloud level. So incredibly big that it took Dr. Donut 7 whole minutes to fly across a small portion of it with an elytra.
How is it still going?
And this was all possible with these flooding machines, some of which even span 500 blocks long, duping water blocks as they move. And if this wasn't bad enough, Dr. Donut looked at the machine on his stream, letting anybody copy this flooding machine and build it for themselves. I'm not kidding. You can literally search up how to build a Donut SMP flooding machine and you'll get a super straightforward step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. The worst part is, nothing can really stop this flood from happening on the SMP. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this situation.